Hey folks, welcome to this episode of Road Hard Restorations. My name's Steve. We're working on my 1974 Plymouth Duster. And on this episode, we're going to be troubleshooting the wiring to get all the lights working so we can take it out on a test drive. All right, what do we got back here? There's a side marker light. Let him hang out the side. That's his job, right? Mark the side with light. Ground. Looks okay. Get my power probe back here and check a few things here. Wiring actually doesn't look too bad back here. Whoa, that's the wrong color. All right, that 2057 amber is not supposed to be in the taillight socket. So let's go grab the right bulb. See if we got one in here. Nope, single filament. Dual filament. 1157, perfect. Let's go put him where he belongs. But first, let's test him out. Go and test out this bulb using the power probe here. Quiet. Works, perfect. I'll stick you in here. Put you back in your little home here. Pull this guy out again. I did a visual on it, but let's see what we got here. Beautiful. All right, now that we know that those work, start moving up to the front of the car. Oops. Hey. Come on, clutch. All right. Flip her straight the pedal. I'm not seeing any brake lights coming from brake light switch. So, let me get down to the pedal here, see if the brake light switch itself can unplug. Oh, indeed it did. Get this caught in the door. I'll run through the broken window here. I'm gonna tighten that crimp that's just sliding right off. Let's see what we got now. Nope. Still not seeing anything. I think I know why the headlights aren't working. There's no high beam switch. Completely unplugged. To go back over to the old electrical cabinet. All right, you see what I got to work with here. There's just 3 wires just kind of hanging out. Not sure what's up with that, but I'm gonna put 3 new ends on there. All right, so which one is which? That's a good question. Got green, purple, and red. Let's see if I can find a diagram. See which way this goes on here. All right, I just took a guess at the wires. I had one thick one, so I put that in the middle, and then the 2 smaller ones on either side. Really doesn't matter on these switches which side is which, but let's try it. Hey, there we go. Let's check the high beams and low beams, all that good stuff. And it works. Let's go take a look, see what they look like. Ooh, got one of them out. Could be a bulb. Let's hit the other button again. All right. All right, they're both on. So we probably just have a bad bulb. Get that switched out, but at least I have something to make me legal. But boy, those are ugly and dim. Oh, hey, look at this. We have tail lights and side marker lights. Well, we need brake lights and this thing will be road ready. All right, so we'll see the reflection on the garage door there. Hit the brake lights. Oh, oh, oh. We got the passenger side one working. So why not the driver's side? That's a good question. We just tested the bulb. Is it this splice right here, I wonder? Okay. Ooh, that's getting warm. All right, let me pull this out and see what we can come up with here. Figure out which one's which here. Get the old power probe out here. All right, testing this one with a power probe. This one right here for the height, or for the brights for the brake light. Looks a little low. It's very finicky. You have to touch it in the right spot for it to activate. So let's see if I can find another one of these. I don't know, looks like the right one. Can't see the numbers on it. These are just takeouts. All right, I fiddled with the inside of the socket there. See if that did any good. It works. Got tail lights. Got brake lights. Got side markers on the back. Something glowing under there. That's a little concerning. Yeah, it's hard to see, but it's slightly glowing under there. Headlights, front marker lights, and that one's actually glowing pretty good. Awesome. Let's see what the heck's going on underneath the dash here. Oh, I don't want to turn this into a smoker. No, it's just a dash light. All right, well, I got power there, whatever that's for. Didn't think no dome light. All right, that's, oh, we have dash lights. Well be darned. Something works. All right. Very cool. Hey folks, thanks for watching. Be sure to subscribe. On the next video, we're taking this thing out on a test drive.